Welcome back to Ride X, your ultimate destination for cutting-edge car reviews. And today, we've got something truly electrifying, the 2025 Tesla Model S Plaid in this stunning ultra-red finish. Let's dive into the future of speed, style, and smart technology. The 2025 Model S Plaid takes Tesla's design to the next level. Sleek, low-slung, and aggressive, its aerodynamic silhouette is not just for looks, it enhances performance. The redesigned front fascia features slimmer LED headlights and a smooth, grille-less front for a clean, modern face. Blacked-out trims, flush door handles, and those 21-inch arachnid wheels give it a bold presence on the road. Step inside and you're in a spaceship. Literally. The minimalist cabin is decked out in premium vegan leather, carbon fiber accents, and a panoramic glass roof that stretches across the sky. At the center, a 17-inch cinematic touchscreen with ultra-responsive UI. The controversial Yoke steering returns, and while it's not for everyone, it adds to the futuristic vibe. In the rear, passengers enjoy heated seats, their own 8-inch screen, and plenty of legroom, making this a luxury sedan, not just a speed machine. Under the skin, the Plaid is a beast. It features 3 electric motors delivering a jaw-dropping 1,020 horsepower. 0 to 60? Just 1.99 seconds, making it one of the fastest production cars in the world. Top speed? 200 miles per hour. With Tesla's dual-motor torque vectoring and adaptive air suspension, the ride is buttery smooth whether you're cruising or cornering hard. Range anxiety? Not here. The 2025 Model S Plaid gives you up to 396 miles on a full charge. And thanks to Tesla's Supercharger V4 network, you can get up to 200 miles in just 15 minutes. Tesla continues to push boundaries with full self-driving, FSD, capability, enhanced Autopilot, and OTA software updates. Features like Smart Summon, Autopark, and Lane Change Assist bring semi-autonomous driving closer to reality. Now for the price. The 2025 Tesla Model S Plaid starts at $89,990 but with add-ons like ultra-red paint, upgraded wheels, and full self-driving, you're looking at closer to $115,000 fully loaded. The 2025 Model S Plaid is more than just a car, it's a tech marvel, a supercar, and a luxury sedan all rolled into one. It's clear that Tesla is redefining what it means to drive electric. Loudspeaker, if you liked this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Ride X for more exciting reviews. Drop your thoughts about the Yoke steering and performance in the comments below.